इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Page number 9. Medium speed. Answers in the end. Start. Question number 1 start. 27. 1. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 2 start. 27. 2. 9. Minus 13. Minus 25. Write your answer, next. Question number 3 start. 53. 1. 29. Write your answer, next. Question number 4 start. 56. 9. 14. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 5 start. 13. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 6 start. 28. 9. 9. Minus 35. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 7 start. 51. 9. 19. Write your answer, next. Question number 8 start. 51. 9. 9. Minus 19. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 9 start. 26. 1. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 10 start. 26. 3. 19. 51. Minus 32. Write your answer, next. Question number 11 start. 52. 11. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 12 start. 54. 9. 19. Minus 60. Plus 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 13 start. 28. 1. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 14 start. 9. 10. 9. 10. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 15 start. 68. 1. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 16 start. 81. 9. 9. Minus 77. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 17 start. 25. 1. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 18 start. 26. 2. 9. Minus 11. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 19 start. 67. 1. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 20 start. 69. Minus 51. Minus 15. 39. 56. Write your answer, next. Question number 21 start. 10. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 22 start. 29. 9. 9. Minus 20. Plus 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 23 start. 1. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 24 start. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 25 start. 14. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 26 start. 27. 9. 9. Minus 30. 11. Write your answer, next. Question number 27 start. 64. 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Question number 28 start. 53. 29. Minus 60. Plus 9. 9. Write your answer, next. Act your answers. Start. Question number 1 start. Answer is 37, next. Question number 2 start. Answer is 0, next. Question number 3 start. Answer is 83, next. Question number 4 start. Answer is 97, next. Question number 5 start. Answer is 31, next. Question number 6 start. Answer is 20, next. Question number 7 start. Answer is 79, next. Question number 8 start. Answer is 59, next. Question number 9 start. Answer is 36, next. Question number 10 start. Answer is 67, next. Question number 11 start. Answer is 72, next. Question number 12 start. Answer is 31, next. Question number 13 start. Answer is 38, next. Question number 14 start. Answer is 47, next. Question number 15 start. Answer is 78, next. Question number 16 start. Answer is 31, next. Question number 17 start. Answer is 35, next. Question number 18 start. Answer is 35, next. Question number 19 start. Answer is 77, next. Question number 20 start. Answer is 98, next. Question number 21 start. Answer is 28, next. Question number 22 start. Answer is 36, next. Question number 23 start. Answer is 19, next. Question number 24 start. Answer is 45, next. Question number 25 start. Answer is 32, next. Question number 26 start. Answer is 26, next. Question number 27 start. Answer is 82, next. Question number 28 start. Answer is 40,